When installing your Covercraft SeatSaver seat covers, you will need to remove your headrests. This is a fairly simple process, but can vary from vehicle to vehicle. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to remove your headrests, install your headrest covers, and reinstall your headrests. First, you can move the seat back either fully back or forward to give yourself extra room to work. Hold up the headrest cover to compare the shape of that of your headrest. Once you're sure the cover is facing the right way and the seams are aligned, use both your hands to pull the cover all the way onto the headrest. If the cover has Velcro, secure it by tightly pulling the two ends together before pressing the Velcro together. If the cover has an elastic or bungee binding, simply slide the cover over the headrest. Once you have all your headrest covers installed, the next step is to remove the headrest completely before installing the backrest covers. Headrest removal. Headrest locks vary from vehicle to vehicle, but are likely one or a combination of these configurations. We often see headrests with a tab configuration on one side and a pinhole or tab configuration on the other. Tab configuration. With tab configurations, one or both sides of your guide sleeves will have an external button that you can simply press with your finger. If there's only one button, just push and hold it down with one hand and pull the headrest up and out with the other. If each side has a button, just follow the same step on one side, then repeat on the other. Pinhole configuration. For headrest locks with a pinhole configuration, first, locate the small hole in the side of the guide sleeve. Press down just slightly on top of the headrest to remove tension on the post latch. Then, using a small tool like an Allen key or a nail, press it into the hole and pull up the headrest. It should pull all the way off. Slot configuration. Headrest locks with a slot configuration are similar to those with tab configurations. Sometimes the release button on slot configurations stick out enough where you can just use your fingers to press it in and release. But sometimes the button is flush or even recessed. If that's the case for you, just slide in a thin, preferably plastic tool into the slot to release and remove the headrest. Using a plastic tool will help to avoid scratching your trim. Reinserting the headrest. Once the backrest covers are on, you can reinsert your headrests. To do this, simply align the headrest posts with the holes, making sure the correct side of the headrest is facing forward and push down. The headrest should slide right in and lock. Then you can adjust the headrest height as normal. That's it. That's how you remove your headrests, install your SeatSaver headrest covers, and reinstall your headrests. So if you have any issues, questions, or feedback, we definitely want to hear from you. Our knowledgeable and dedicated customer support team is here for you on the phone, email, or chat. Covercraft, protecting the things that move you since 1965.